What's up, food lovers? So today is Labor Day weekend, and we was about to hit the pool, but it started thundering and raining so hard, so we decided to just barbecue at home. I got everything packed this morning, got it marinated, got everything ready. It started raining and pouring, but so right now I'm at home about to throw this on the grill. Let me take it out and show y'all. So right here is all the meat that I marinated. It should be nice and juicy. We're about to throw it on the grill. And then here we got the shrimp and hot dogs. Y'all see how I did it? So first, with the grill nice and hot, we're gonna pan that thing. Pan it up so it won't stick. Then, look at the shrimp. See that? Looking good. Let's throw it on there. Ooh, sizzling hot. That looks amazing. Here we go, guys. Shrimp, steak, Vietnamese style. And look at this. Slap your mama seasoning. If you don't know about that slap your mama seasoning, y'all should check out my other video that I'll put up above right here. Check it out. Slap your mama seasoning. Slap your mama shrimp. Check it out. Yeah, just sprinkle it on there. Yeah, like that. It's gonna be slap your mama good. Yep, here we go. After about 5-10 minutes, flip the shrimp over. You know, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at all that shrimp. So I got here. I got lime. Just squeeze it on there. So, well, you know what? We want to overcook these shrimp. If you overcook these shrimp, it's gonna get chewy. So you just put it up here for low heat. The hot dogs are cooked already. Just put up top. So here you go, guys. The shrimp and hot dog. See that? Very creative, huh? So, taste test. Mmm. Crunchy seafood, shrimp, hot dog with shrimp. So good. Mmm. Right now I'm waiting for the steak to cook. I'm gonna do a taste test on that too. So hold on. But let me finish this and be right back, alright? Here we go. Look at that juicy steak. It's pink in the inside. You see it? Yep, I use scissors to cut my steak. Here, a taste test. Oh my goodness. So juicy. So delicious. If you want to know the ingredients and the recipe, it's going to be down below. And if you like this video, make sure you push the like button and consider subscribing, alright? And ring that bell for notification. Please ring that bell, right? Ring that bell. So that's it for today's episode. Please have a good Labor Day and drink responsibly. Responsibly. All right? I'll see you next time. Bye.